How to create a second Gmail email address. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google and click on your profile on top right. Then click on Add. Click on Sign In, then Create Account. For my personal use, then add your first name and then add your last name. Click on Next. Then add your birth month, birthday, and birth year. Then click on Gender female or male. Then choose your Gmail address and press on Next. Create a strong password. Then add your phone number and then press on Next. Your account will be created. After your account is created, again go back and click on your profile on top right. You'll find your new account in here in other profiles. Simply click on that and switch your account. Or simply search Gmail. Click on Email Gmail. And you'll see in here another account if you sign into it. And send your email through your new account. And that's how you create a second Gmail email address. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.